My name is Amy. I'm an Apple girl. My husband is an Android guy, but we make it work. We're still married. We have 2 awesome kids. We work really hard to keep them doing things that they love to do. I broke my phone in the most fantastical way. So we were looking for the best possible deal. A friend told me about Reebelo. Reebelo is an online refurbished marketplace. When I found Reebelo, it was super cool because I got to save a ton of money. And I loved what I saw on Reebelo. It gave me lots of options. It's nice because it also tells you what to expect. When it came, it was as if it were brand new. It was absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, we won't be turning back.
Reebelo is a trusted marketplace for certified refurbished goods that connects you with vetted local refurbishers, giving you access to a range of tech products. With 100+ certified sellers on board, we offer competitively low prices, high quality, and a vast selection to choose from, so you can shop smart and save big. Reebelo products are 100% functional original devices that undergo over 70 quality checkpoints, come with 30-day returns, and 12-month warranty, are up to 70% off retail price, and include free, fast shipping. At Reebelo, we highly appreciate you as a customer. If you have any problems with the device or aren't 100% satisfied, we will always do our best to serve you. Together, we've saved the planet from 5 tons of e-waste and planted 1 tree for every purchase. Join over 500,000 Reebelo customers across the world and reduce your tech consumption footprint by 70%. Our mission is to refresh the way we all consume tech. We believe in a future where everyone has access to affordable electronics. Whether it's buying refurbished or selling your old devices, it's time to say hello to Reebelo.
We're a Reebelo family now. My children are saving up their money and they're searching Reebelo themselves. And it's super cool to see them have the same excitement and joy. I don't have to look at the disappointment on their faces anymore because they can't afford it, because with Reebelo, they actually can. I love Reebelo. I think it's an excellent option for families. The kids constantly want new tech. They're so hard on tech. You know, it was the hunt, it was the find. I get that deal fix in and save the money so we could continue to do the things for the boys. It's just like brand new, except I didn't have to pay the brand new price. In the future, Reebelo is going to be the first place that we look for anything.